CS8601 Multi-Core Architectures and Programming Unit 1 Previous Year University Questions. This is an Anna University 8th semester Computer Science Engineering paper. Unit 1 Part A. There are 11 previous year questions. Define vector instructions. What do you know about snooping cache coherence? Define symmetric shared memory. List the pros and cons of distributed memory. What is the purpose of multi-core integrated circuits? List of problems considering the increase in performance of multi-core architecture. Differentiate symmetric memory architecture and distributed memory architecture. What are the multiprocessor systems and give their advantages? State Amdahl's law. Define speedup and efficiency. What is directory-based cache coherence? Next, part B, the list of 16-mark questions. There are 8 questions are there. Explain in detail about interconnection networks. So this is a repeated questions for 2 times. Elaborate the classification of computer architecture used in parallel computing system. Discuss in detail about single and multi-core architectures. Explain in detail the SIMD and MIMD systems. Discuss briefly the performance issues of multi-core processor. Define cache coherence problem. What are the 2 main approaches to cache coherence? Describe working of snooping cache coherence and explain directory-based coherence. Highlight the limitations of single-core processor and outline how multi-core architectures overcome these limitations. Explain shared and distributed memory interconnects. Explain in detail about cache coherence. And these are the part B questions of 8 marks. Write a short note about MIMD systems. Explain parallel program design with an example. State and explain Amdahl's law in detail. Outline the steps in designing and building parallel programs. Give example. Outline distributed shared memory architecture with a diagram. Present an outline of parallel program design.